I've using this PVC Pipe Reamer Kit a few times now, and honestly it's one of those tools that saves you way more time than you expect. Instead of cutting out fittings and readying sections of pipe, this lets you clean out of the old gold pipe fast and realize what's already there. It runs smoothly with a regular drill, feels solid in the hand and doesn't wobble. The cuts come out clean and even, which makes a new fitting slide in perfectly. I also like that it covers the most common pipe size, so I'm not switching tools every 5 minutes. The aluminum body feels durable, the blade stays sharp, and overall it just makes repairs quicker and less furnishing. It's especially useful when you're working in thin spaces and don't want to rebuild everything from scratch. Oh, and just to be clear, I didn't actually buy this myself. It was sent to me as a gift and I've been using it since.